Students, today we will solve exercise 4.4. Before solving the exercise 4.4, we need to know that how we find out the roots by using quadratic formula. So you are having here, as we know, the quadratic formula for finding the roots of given quadratic equation of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we know the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So ABC we can understand very well. The coefficient of x square is equal to a, coefficient of x is equal to b, or c is a constant in given equation. So we are having three conditions. Suppose b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. The first condition, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinite value. So we can say that if the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, it is called D. So b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So the roots are, in this condition, roots are real and not equal. Roots are real and not equal. Suppose we are having b square minus 4ac greater than 0. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can find out the under root easily, or root 2. Root 2 under root 2 we will write there. Root 3, root 4 is equal to 2 here. Root 5 was 6. We can't find out the under root of 6, so we will write root 6. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, so we can find out that roots are real and not equal. Second condition is that d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So in that condition, when it is 0, so value of 0 or under root of 0 is equal to 0. So there is no effect of plus minus 0. If you are getting any number minus b plus minus 0 upon 2a. So 0 doesn't provide any effect here. So roots are real. In that condition, roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal because there is no effect of plus minus here, because we are getting 0 under root of 0 is equal to always 0. Last one, third condition is d is equal to b square minus 4ac may be less than 0. So in that condition, suppose less than 0 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. So how can we find out the under root of b square minus 4ac if it is minus 2? So how can we find out under root of minus 2? We can find out root 2. Root 2 is positive integer inside the under root, but here minus 2 is inside the under root. So how can we find out in that condition minus 2? So for finding the value, you will study root 2 or root minus 1. So root 2 is equal to root 2, but minus under root 1 is equal to I. So you will study about imaginary number in class 11. So there is no use of I or imaginary number here. So we will say that here roots are not real, or we can say that roots are imaginary, or one more condition, and they does not exist. They do not exist. So roots are not exist in third condition. So there are three conditions: b square minus 4ac greater than 0, and d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So greater than 0 means value 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dash 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 up to infinite value. So here you can find out the value of under root. But if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so you can't find out, if we are putting the value here, so you can't find out under root of minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, it will be imaginary number. So in that condition, roots are not real or they do not exist. So we must remember these three conditions before solving the exercise. So students, now we will solve exercise 4.4, question number 1, option number 2. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Suppose it is equation number 1, or standard quadratic equation, we know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we will compare both the equations. So comparing equation 1 and equation 2. So what we will get? We will get here a is equal to 3, because coefficient of x square is equal to a here, or coefficient of x square is equal to 3 here. Now b is equal to coefficient of x, or coefficient of x here minus 4 root 3. Now c, constant c is equal to 4 here. Now we are having a, b, c. So as we know the quadratic formula for finding the roots, we know that x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here we will put all the values. Minus b means minus, or b value is automatically minus, so minus 4 root 3, or plus minus under root b square minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4ac, to 4, a is equal to 3 or c is equal to 4. So all values we have put here, or upon 2a, 2 into 3. So we are putting 2 into 3. So now we will get x is equal to, minus minus will become plus 4 root 3 plus minus, or here minus 4 root 3. So minus 4 square is equal to 16, or root 3 into root 3, 3. So 16 3s are minus 4 3s are 12, or 12 4s are 48. So now we will get 3 2s are 6. So x is equal to 4 root 3 plus minus under root 48 minus 48 upon 6. So we will get the result 4 root 3 plus minus 48 minus 48, 0, under root of 0 is 0, or here 6. So we got the condition. Before this slide we have studied b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, so at that time both the roots are real and equal. So roots are real and equal, definitely, because if we are taking plus sign, suppose we are taking plus sign, so taking plus sign, so what we get? X is equal to, if you are taking plus sign, so we will get x is equal to 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6. So we will get 4 root 3 by 6. There is no effect to add 0 in this number. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So we will get 2 root 3 upon 3. So we can convert 2 root 3. 3 can be converted into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 cut. So we will get the answer 2 upon root 3. Or it may be answer. Both the answer are correct. Suppose you are having which one? So you can check in your answer sheet. Now second condition. If we are taking minus sign. taking minus sign. So what result we will get? X is equal to 4 root 3, or here the sign beneath plus sign. So it will minus 0 upon 6. So it is also 4 root 3 by 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So we will get the result 2 root 3 upon 3, or you can also do 2 root 3, or root 3 converted into root 3 into root 3 will be converted into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 cut, so we will get again the result 2 by root 3. So that means the answer x is equal to here, the roots is equal to 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3 here. So both the roots are equal and real. So before solving the problem, if we will check b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, so we can directly say nothing, there is no need to solve if it is not asked in the question finding the roots of given equation, but here it is asked find the roots of given equation. So we have to completely do the solution up to here. But in optional question, if it will be asked the roots are imaginary, roots are real, roots are equal, so you can check only through b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or equal to 0 or less than 0. So there are 3 conditions, so you can check easily by it.